Good morning, and here is to 365 new chances. A very happy new year, and we are here with a new video.
The next thing today we'll be learning about what that is HTML multimedia, right? So this is how we do this. Now, what do you mean by HTML multimedia? Multimedia on the web is sound, music, videos, movies, and animations, right? So it comes in different formats. I'll tell you the formats as well, so that it is clear to you. The formats are .wav, AV, yes. Then you have .mp3. Then you have .mpg. You have .wmv, and you have .avi, right? So this is what it is. These are the formats which are supported by the different browsers. Now, how do we add a video? So basically, if you talk about adding a video, the HTML video is show a video on a web page. So one, I told you how to keep it from the YouTube in one of my earlier chapters. Now this is like if you have to directly add. How do we do this? You have to use a video element. Now how do we use that video element? You just have to write, you can say body, it's like this. Now inside this body we are going to write about, say, I would say a video. Then I will add the width. Why are we adding the width? Because we have to specify that how big or how small you want to keep this. Then you have the height, which says equal to, I have 200, say this is the height. And then what is the next thing which I will do is I am going to say controls, correct? So let me just check. Oh, okay, I didn't took this complete, right? So this is controls. Now what does it do? You have to put the source from where you have taken this. So you'll say source, you will say src, then you will say equal to, and here you will be adding, see here I have uploaded something that is happy birthday song. So how will you upload? You'll click on add image, and that's how you'll do it, right? So you will say happy birthday song .mp4, and then what is the next thing which you will do? That you will be defining the type. How will you define the type? It is this is equal to, and in this equal to you will say in the double quotes that is video slash mp4 double quotes, right? And what is the next thing which you will do? You will close the tag, right? So this is how you will be doing this. Plus you have to close this one as well. So see, you have the video over here. Now if you want to play this, so here is the video we have uploaded using the video element and the control. Control is this button. See, play, pause, and the sound. So meet you in the next video to show you how do we upload a sound.
Thank you, and wish you a very happy, healthy, and prosperous new year.